Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can share your Android screen with your PC. In simple words, how can mirror your screen. So the process is very simple and easy. You just need to install this application on your Android device, screen stream over HTTP, and start your application. Then start your application and open browser in your computer. It doesn't matter which operating system are you using. This method will work on both Linux, Mac and Windows, on all operating systems. On this machine I am using Linux. On this machine I have installed Ubuntu, a very popular Linux distribution. Now I need to type this address, and now you can see this option. Now from my mobile I need to click the start button, and now you can see this option. You can see my mobile screen, and here you can see the application. You can also go to application settings to view all the available settings. You can go to image, security and advanced options to view more options. You can also see this stop button to stop this process. And now if I want to start again, I will have to press start again. Now you can see the live preview of my Android screen. You can see all the available applications. Let's go to browser and let's open a new tab. Now you can see everything is working fine. So this is how you can easily mirror your Android screen with your Linux, Mac or Windows PC with this free application. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos.